Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen share audio when it isn't working in Discord. Audio issues can be really difficult to solve, especially when you consider not everyone has the exact same setup. We are going to cover the most common solutions for audio issues in Discord. But just a quick note, some desktop apps restrict audio output through screen sharing with Discord, but that's beyond the scope of this video. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to assume you have already restarted your PC and tried to screen share in Discord again. If not, then that's the first thing you should try. I know, everybody always has restart as their first step in troubleshooting. I get it. Okay, let's say that didn't work. What's a real step we can take? Let's try resetting the voice and video settings. With Discord open, click on the settings icon found near the bottom left of the Discord window. On the left-hand side, you will see the words voice and video. Click on that to open the voice and video settings. Scroll down through these settings and at the bottom you should see reset voice settings. Click on that and then select OK. Then test screen sharing again. If that didn't work, let's use the Discord Legacy Audio Subsystem. To do this, go back to your settings by clicking the settings icon. Click voice and video once more and scroll almost to the very bottom and find the text Audio Subsystem. Click this dropdown and select Legacy. Select OK to save the changes. These solutions should fix most screen share audio issues in Discord. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.